Recording. We're doing writing today, guys. This topic from January 29, 2022. This was my topic prompt in my official exam. I'm sure I scored the 6.5 for this one, guys. You know, in my writing for task 1, I'm sure I scored a perfect 9 for task 1. Band 9. And then for task 2, that one, this one, January 29, there. That was my topic, For task 2, I'm sure I scored band 6.5. And then, so the total of the two scores is band 7.5. So that's my IELTS there. So when I saw my score, I knew that, oh my God, my task 2 was really the problem. There. Okay. But of course, for welders, task band 6.5 is already a very high score, right, guys? So the problem why I scored a 6.5 is because I missed a variable, guys. A variable. There. Sir JR, in algebra, a variable is like an X, right, sir? Sir JR?
Yes, sir. It is
It's a
yung
variable.
yung nagbabago-bago.
Okay.
Nagbabago-bago yung kanyang value.
Okay. So this is X. That one, the one I highlighted. Some people say that the purpose of education is to become useful to society. And then this is Y. There. Do you now understand, guys? The X and the Y. There. So my problem was this Y. I did not discuss it very thoroughly. I was focusing a lot on this one, guys. So, see, that's why I missed a variable, which was this one. So, I'm sure I scored a 6.5 for that one. So, the objective of algebra is, um, uh, sir, would you say it's the prime objective of algebra? The objective of algebra is to find the truth. Oh, what do you think, Sir JR? What do you think? Oh,
Maganda siya, sir.
like if you find the X, then that's the truth, right, sir?
Find
Oh.
The truth. And then the truth is always
find the truth or
find the truth there. The truth is always logical, rational, moral, right, Sir JR? That is the truth.
Yes, sir.
There. So if I find the value of X, then that X is a product of logical algebraic operations. Right, sir? It's rational.
Yes, sir.
It is based on reason, right, sir? JR, correct reasoning. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
And then
Yes, sir. Right po.
and what is the truth? The truth has to be moral, right, guys? It has to be mm, it has to be correct in the eyes of God. There, oh my God, this is so heavy. That is the objective of writing. So, guys, if I see a topic prompt like this, oh, wait. That is the truth. And we arrive at the truth by the process of mm, operations. Right, sir? Algebraic operations. Right, sir, JR?
Yes, sir.
There.
Yes, sir.
We arrive at the truth by the process of correct algebraic operations. Right, sir? As dictated
Yes,
by
sir.
the rules of mathematics. Right, sir? Oh my God! Welcome to algebra, guys! Are you enjoying the lesson, guys? So, Sir Greg, are you good? Are you good, Sir Greg? Sir Greg, are you good?
Yes, sir.
You're good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Continue.
Continue. So now, guys, we will now go through the process of algebra. So value x states, oh my God, do you want this lesson? States that some people say that the purpose of education is to become useful to society. Right, guys? Right? And then
Yes, sir.
value y there. Woohoo! This is algebra. States that the purpose of education is for personal ambition. There
Or
we are.
personal ambition.
We now have the X and the Y, guys. Okay. So remember that value X has positives and negatives, correct? Right, guys? Algebra, there's a positive and a negative, right, guys? And then value Y
Yes,
has
Yes,
sir.
sir.
positives and negatives, right, guys? Wow, you're enjoying this lesson, huh?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, guys, rule. Okay. If the purpose of algebra is to find the truth, and if the truth is always logical, rational, and moral, then the purpose of writing is to eliminate the negatives. Oh, did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Eliminate the negatives. Because we are after the truth, right,
Mhm.
guys? Eliminate the negatives. Where are the negatives? Do you see this? Oh, that's a negative, right, guys? Do you see that? Do you see? Do you see? And then
It
this
is the
one.
negative.
Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh, that's a negative, right? So, if the negative is not eliminated, then the purpose of finding the truth is a failure. Oh, okay, guys. Do you now follow? Do you understand? Okay,
Yes,
there's.
sir.
So this is our. This is now the format of our essay. First body paragraph, right, guys? And then the purpose of education is to become useful to society, right, guys? Like welders, right? Right, guys? The world
Mm.
needs welders. And of course, guys, there are positive and negative arguments here, right, guys? Do you understand? And then second body paragraph
Mm.
states that the purpose of education is for personal ambition. Right, guys? Right? And of course, this has positive and negative arguments. Do you agree?
Right.
Do you agree? Do you agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now, guys, when it comes to the third body paragraph, we now need to confront. There, we are confronted with this equation. There, oh my God. And our objective is to eliminate the negative. And so, guys, if we eliminate these negatives, there, do you see that, Sir Greg? Do you see that? Do you see that, Sir Greg? And if we eliminate these negatives,
Yes,
there.
sir.
So now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is left is just two positives. Right, sir? We now have only two positives.
Mm.
Correct, correct, correct. So now, we can now arrive at the truth. Oh my God. The truth is they are both correct. Oh my God. Do you understand, Sir Greg? So, our problem solver is there. But of course, we need
Yes,
to
sir.
eliminate the negative, right, Sir Greg? If we do not eliminate the negative, then it is not logical, sir. Right, sir? Because there is a negative. How can you say, right, sir? How can you say it's positive when there is a negative? Right, sir? So we will now arrive at our problem solver. There. So, there. So, bullet. So, the purpose of education is to become useful to society. Positives only, guys, right? Positives only. And then the purpose of education is for personal ambition. There. Positive also. That is now what we call the coexist. There. They are both correct. The answer, JR, that's the coexist. There. Do you follow, guys? And then we can now conclude. There. Our conclusion is, there. Both. Right, Sir Greg? Both purposes are correct. There.
Positive.
Both purposes are positive. But of course, we have to eliminate the negative, right, guys? We have to eliminate the negative. So, do you want to see how I do that in writing? Do you want to see, guys? Do you
No,
want to see,
sir.
you want to see it in action, huh? Okay, so do you like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Do you enjoy this argument? So this is the truth, guys. That is the truth. It
Yes, sir.
is, it is logical, rational. It is moral, sir. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing evil. There is no evil in it, sir. It is righteous. Oh, di ba? Right, guys? That's why we always say essay writing is a problem-solving exercise. Do you understand, guys? And when you say problem solving, it means eliminating the negatives. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, here goes,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Now, guys, I will give you one advice. Uh, if you don't want to eliminate the negative, listen to this one, guys. If you don't want to eliminate the negative, then don't mention the negative. Just mention the positive. There. Do you follow, guys? What a nice tip, huh? Do you understand, guys? Why mention the negative? If you mention the negative, then you have to eliminate the negative, right, guys? So don't mention it anymore. So you won't have to eliminate any negatives. Is that clear, people? Just positives, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, man. We're so intelligent. Okay. So here goes, guys. No, I will inject the negative, okay? So that you will see. You will see it. Okay, so Sir Harris, do you like it? Are you enjoying, sir? Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yes, sir.
Make sense? No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here goes, guys. Sir Greg, here goes. To begin
Yes, sir.
do you see, Sir Greg? Do you see, sir?
Yes, sir. Continue.
There, positive first, sir.
Yes, sir.
There are people who say that the real reason students enter into education is that so they can contribute to the betterment of society. There, a good example of this includes skilled workers there, like welders and carpenters who enroll in vocational courses uh, and acquire certification so that they can contribute to nation building by helping create various structures and equipment necessary for industry. That's a positive, Sir Greg? Do you follow, Sir Greg? This is why welders and carpenters are highly in demand in advanced economies there, realizing their important contribution to the economy. That's a positive, Sir Greg. Okay. However, Sir Greg, I'm going into the negative. Sir Greg. Sir. Sir Greg. I'm going into the negative already, guys. Do you understand? Good.
Yes, sir.
However, what is the negative of becoming useful to society? Okay. However, some skilled workers still are not rightfully compensated by certain countries there. So this becomes a source of frustration and injustice, which forces these workers to leave for foreign shores and ultimately ultimately benefiting only other societies. There, that's a negative, Sir Greg. Do you see that, Sir Greg? That's a negative.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, if I were you, I will not mention that anymore. I will not mention that anymore. Because I have to eliminate that. What the hell? Okay. But
But
for the purpose of
it
our,
will add
it will
number of
add,
words.
no, it will add to your, there's a criterion that is called task response, right, guys? Task response is the arguments that you use. And if your argumentation is vast, right, guys, it covers a range from the positive to the negative. It builds your score. Do you understand, people? Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
There. That's task response. That's a very important criterion. Their task response. Later, we will go with ChatGPT. ChatGPT will explain it to us. In fact, in order to achieve task response, you will need to use or utilize coherence and cohesion skills. There, guys, coherence and cohesion. So, do you see that, guys? When I said, however, there. So, very clearly, I'm going into the negative, right, guys? That is a factor of coherence and cohesion. So task response and coherence and cohesion, they really go hand in hand. Okay, guys? That's why it would help if you go into the negative. Right, guys? All right. So now let's go into value
Yes,
Y.
sir.
Right, guys? We're going into value Y. Okay. Do you understand, guys? Sir Eric, who else is with us? Wait,
Right.
somebody. Who is
Sir,
that?
yes, sir.
Mm, oh, Sir Greg will make coffee. Okay, Sir Eric, Sir Greg, Sir Harris. Okay, and Sir Eric. Okay, and Sir JR. Okay, so here goes, guys. I'm now going into why. So, Sir JR, this is the problem in my essay, sir. I did not cover why. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
I covered it, but hilaw. Hilaw siya, sir. Hilaw.
Mm.
Kaya already, I knew already that it's a band 6.5. There. So we're now going into the Y, guys. So, wait, 10 points. There. Okay. All right. So now, guys, there. We will now go into the positive of personal ambition. On the other hand, there. This, some people advise that it is best to uh, choose a major that will compensate handsomely, whether locally or abroad. For these people, it would not matter if they are unable to contribute to nations a nation's growth there a nation's growth as long as they are able to meet their own ambitions for wealth for themselves and their families there. A good example of this is in nursing, where students decide to go through the program with the end objective of becoming multi-millionaires. Multi-millionaires. Abroad. And not because they want to help the local health industry. There. Okay, guys. And then we're now going into the negative, guys. We're now going into the negative. Do you follow? Do you follow? Do you follow, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There, we're going to the negative,
Yes, sir.
And then I'm tired of using however, so I will say notwithstanding. There. There are those who accuse. Notwithstanding. There. I wonder what's notwithstanding. Bagkus, right, guys, in Tagalog? Bagkus, right? Bagkus. Bagkus. Notwithstanding.
Of course.
Bagkus. There are those who accuse these graduates of being selfish and apathetic to the needs of the motherland, choosing instead their own selfish ambition. There. Okay, guys. There, guys. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see the essay, right, guys? Do you see? Do you see? Okay. First body, second body. Do you see the negatives? It's all in red, right, guys? Very clearly in red, right? Right, guys? Now, guys,
Yeah.
we cannot
Yes, sir.
conclude, guys. We cannot conclude. Why? Because the purpose of algebra is to arrive at the truth. And the truth is logical, rational, and moral. How can you say this is moral? This is wrong, right, guys? Do you see that red? See, and then this one is also wrong. Oh my God, we have not arrived at the truth, guys. So, what we need to do is to continue the operations wherein we will eliminate the negatives. Do you see, guys? That's why we have the third body paragraph. Make sense, guys? Make sense? Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, if, for example, if I conclude this essay already,
Yes, sir.
I will say that they both have positive and negative effects there, and it's up to the person, right? So JR, that's my argument, right? Conclusion, they both have positive and negative
Yes, sir.
arguments, and it's up to the person to decide, right, sir? I promise you guys, 6.5, that's a 6.5 essay, because we have violated the objective of algebra, which is to arrive at the truth. And the truth is logical, rational, and moral. 6.5. Is that clear, people? Do you follow? So,
Yes, sir.
let's continue with the operation.
Yes, sir.
Woohoo! Oh my God, my students are enjoying algebra. Congratulations, guys. You guys apparently are enjoying algebra, huh? So, problem solver, guys. Problem solver. When you say problem solver, guys, what we really mean is to eliminate the negative. There, guys. Do you follow? So, here goes, guys. the problem solve. This is so critical, Sir JR. This is the make or break paragraph, sir. Make or break paragraph, sir. There.
Yes, sir.
Make or break. So, as far as this writer is concerned, there, guys. Look at me, look at me. Look at me. As far as this writer is concerned, there are indeed positive reasons why it is justified to complete schooling to become useful to society, as well as positive reasons for completing education for one's personal ambitions alone. There. All right, guys. And then, in order to resolve the negative impacts of either of these two options, the writer recommends, here it goes, guys, here it goes, that those who first enter the workforce should undergo so JR, what's the term for that where you cannot go abroad first? You have to work for 2 years first? Some form of
Experience.
Experience.
not just for experience, sir, but to help the country. What's the term for that? Oh, sige, I will use experience. Should undergo some form of experience building in the motherland, which at the same time allows them to serve their fellow men. Only after this can they now choose to prioritize their personal ambition and build their future financially for them and their families. There. This one, guys, this one. Do you see that one? That one eliminated the negatives. Do you see, guys? Eliminate. Let's put it in green. There.
Yes, green.
Wow. Go. Green for go. Red for stop. Now we can conclude the operation. We have found the truth. Wow. Thank you, algebra. We have found the truth. The truth lies in the green. There, it lies in the green. That is the problem solver. So it's time to conclude, guys. So to conclude, based on the arguments above, this is just a summary, guys. Summary only. We can see that both reasons have their positive and negative consequences. However, there are ways to find some resolutions to the negative impacts as outlined above. There. Hence, this writer feels that both can coexist. There. Do you see, guys? Coexist. That's it. Bow. There. And then we'll put shoota. There. Do you know what shoota? Sir Greg, do you know what's that? Shoota. Sir Greg.
I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Oh, you don't
I
know
don't
that
know
word?
about it, sir.
My God.
No, sir.
Sir Eric, do you know that word shoota? Sir Eric, do you know that word shoota?
Shita, you nailed it.
Uh,
You nailed it.
No. No, sir.
Shita. Shita.
Sir Harris, do you know
You got it.
do you know the word shoota? Harris. Sir.
Expression ba yan, sir? Is that one expression?
Shoota is
The kind of
Becky, guys.
expression?
That is a
Yes,
gay lingo.
Gay lingo.
yes.
Sir.
Gay lingua?
Gay lingo. So shoota is just the gay version of the P. The P. The PI. It's the
Damn.
damn. Okay, guys. So now, before we end, guys, we will feed this into ChatGPT. Okay, let's feed it into ChatGPT, and then let's observe how ChatGPT writes. Okay,
Okay.
guys. Do you see? Do you see? So where is ChatGPT?
Okay, sir.
So here. So let's observe. Of course, ChatGPT will write a band 9 essay, right, guys? So IELTS essay demonstration.
Can we use ChatGPT?
Yeah, you use ChatGPT, guys, because this is the world we
Sir?
live in, guys. We live in the world of artificial intelligence. I don't know why people don't use AI, right, guys? You know, it's like they invented the cell phone. Oh, why don't you use the cell phone? Because they invented it already. And then they invented the internet. Come on, use the internet. They invented it already. Right, guys? So they already invented AI. So let's use AI. So you say, chat, can you again write me?
Yeah.
ChatGPT can talk in Tagalog, guys. He can talk in Tagalog. In Ilocano, if you want. He can talk Cebuano or Bisaya, right? Hiligaynon or Panggalatok, ang Pangasinense. You know, guys, or Kapampangan. He can talk all these languages, guys. Can you write me a band 9 essay on this topic? Okay, then paste. There, so send.
Let's see. Let's see.
Let's analyze the essay of ChatGPT. Okay. There. The purpose of education has long been debated, with some arguing that it should primarily serve society, while others believe it should fulfill individual ambition. Although both perspectives offer valid insights, I believe that education should strike a balance. Oh, guys, we have the same argument between contributing society and enabling personal fulfillment. Because really, guys, that's really the answer. That's the real answer, right, guys? Both. They're both correct, right, guys? They do not.
But yeah.
They do not. They do not clash, right, guys? You can have both. On the one hand, those who view education as a tool for societal benefit argue that it plays a crucial role in national development. A well-educated population is essential for economic growth, innovation, and social stability. Very nice, guys. My God. For instance, countries rely on trained professionals such as doctors, engineers, and teachers to maintain and improve public services. From this perspective, education is an investment made by society, and individuals have a responsibility to apply their knowledge in ways that benefit the wider community. Without this collective mindset, societies may struggle to function effectively. So guys, it's all positive, right guys? We did not mention any negative, right guys?
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes,
what
sir.
I mean.
Pro band 9 eh.
Yeah,
Sir.
yeah, but there are many ways to score a band nine. Primarily, as Sir JR, apart from because remember we talked about task response and coherence and cohesion, right? Where did I put it? A while ago. So the power of ChatGPT, so task response, referring to your arguments, right? And then coherence and cohesion refers to how you organize the arguments, right, guys? You organize it in a essay, right? That's why we have paragraphs, right? First body paragraph, second body paragraph. But the power of ChatGPT is really in language, which is grammatical range and accuracy and vocabularies, guys, lexical resource. That's the 9. Chat is really very good in writing, powerful there. So it doesn't matter, Sir JR, even if chat did not cover the negatives, because the other criteria just,
Mm.
makes up for it, right, guys? And then let's proceed.
Mm.
On the other hand, many people believe that education should primarily serve personal ambition. Individuals pursue education to achieve their own goals, whether these involve financial success, career advancement, or personal satisfaction. When people are free to follow their interests, they are more likely to excel and make meaningful contributions in their chosen fields. For example, a student passionate about the arts may produce innovative work that enriches culture, even if does not directly serve immediate societal needs. In this sense, personal ambition can drive creativity and progress. So guys, straightforward, no negatives guys there are no negatives. So third body paragraph, it's just like they're both correct there. In my view, these purposes are not mutually exclusive. Wow, what a nice term, guys. They are not exclusive. We can combine them, guys. We can combine them at the same time. In fact, when individuals pursue their personal ambitions through education, they often contribute to society in indirect but significant ways. A motivated and fulfilled individual is likely to be more productive, innovative, and engaged in their community. Therefore, rather than forcing education to serve only societal goals or personal desires, it should empower individuals while simultaneously fostering a sense of social responsibility. In conclusion, while education undoubtedly supports societal development, it also plays a vital role in helping individuals achieve their personal ambition. The most effective education systems are those that balance these two aims, ensuring both individual fulfillment and collective progress. Yeah, if eliminating a negative is difficult to do, then don't mention the negative, guys. Right, guys? Don't inject the negative anymore.
Yes, sir.
That's the power of your algebra. So wait, guys, I will just copy paste this band 9 essay there. Okay, copy paste. And then I will ask ChatGPT to grade my essay. Then chat will grade it based on these 4 criteria, guys. Look at it, look at it. So wait, I will put here ChatGPT's band Band 9 version. There. Then paste. What? There's no paragraphing, man. We need to paragraph it ourselves, guys. There. On the one hand, there. On the one hand, come on. What happened? Oh, it doubled. There. There. On the one hand, and then here on the other hand, and then in my view, there. In conclusion, there. And then what's this? Okay, we'll delete that, guys. I think I scored another 7.5 with my essay, guys. I saw the arguments of ChatGPT. Okay, so I will now copy paste my own essay, guys. Oh, I don't have an introduction, guys. Okay. Introduction. There is a controversy in education wherein some people feel that the true purpose of studying is for individuals to contribute to nation building. However, there are those who feel that people should study to pursue their own interests and realize their own ambitions in life. This essay will look into both sides of the issue. There, that's my intro, guys. There. So, wait, I'll just format it, guys. There. Okay. So now, we will now send this to ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT will grade our essay. There. Let's remove the shuta. Shuta. There. So, Chat, as usual, can you grade my essay? There, and then paste. And then let's just leave the headings, guys. Chat can understand that. So, enter. There. Enter. There it goes, guys. See, I told you it was a 7.5. Only a 7, guys. Task response, JR. Look, what you did well. You discussed both.
7.
You included relevant specific
Wow.
examples. Welders, nurses. You gave a clear opinion. They can coexist. What holds it back? The essay feels mechanical. Oh, come on. I just left the labels. Come on. In the real test, they would be penalized. Okay.
Oh,
Slightly underdeveloped. Your problem solver paragraph is not required and weakens focus. Because I had negatives, that's why I needed to propose a policy solution. See, I told you guys we shouldn't have included the negatives. Clearance and cohesion. Logical organization, clear paragraphing. Issues. Paragraphs feel formulaic rather than fluid. Some repetition of ideas. Transitions are a bit basic. So hard to score high in writing, guys. Lexical resource. You actually did well in nation building, realizing their ambitions, source of frustration and injustice. But repetition. Ambition, contribute society, appear too often. Oh, advice with a S. Then grammar. Comma overuse? Come on, that's my style, man. Slightly long, heavy sentences. Okay. Your essay feels like a teacher explaining. Ano to? Your essay feels like a teacher explaining ideas, not a candidate argue. What? That's exactly what I was doing. I was a teacher explaining ideas. Okay, it's clear but not sharp. Band-Aid writing is more analytical, less narrative, less explanatory. The third solution paragraph is hurting your score. Why? I tried to fix the issue. Yeah, that's a problem when you have negatives. How to instantly push this to Band-Aid? Remove the problem solver approach. Replace with a clear opinion paragraph. Strengthen your stance. Both can coexist. Make the tone more academic. But that's already a high score, guys. Overall, 7-7. Real talk, Junie.
Mhm.
You have strong ideas, real world awareness, clear structure. But to reach
Seven.
it consistently, you need to write like an analyst, not a lecturer. Because I was lecturing.
Honest. What?
If I can transform this essay into a band 8.5 version. Give you a band 8 upgrade template you can reuse for all discussion essays. Wow, so nice. Chat is so helpful. So band 7 only, guys. 7 to 7.5. So
Fancy.
yeah, because I was lecturing.
The third
Junis,
the third paragraph is crucial,
yeah, the third is so crucial.
because you have to
7.
eliminate the negatives.
Yeah, but in the case of chat, he didn't even mention the negative anymore. Right, guys? Okay, as evaluated by ChatGPT. Writing is hard, guys. You have to be familiar with the topic to begin with, right, guys? Writing is really hard. There. And then I will send this to you guys. ChatGPT's Band 9 version. So you read the version of chat. Chat is really very straightforward, guys, when chat writes, but very well written. Very clean. Very clean. Okay, so let me save this essay, guys, and I will send it to you. And let's make this the free essay. So JR, right, sir? Let's make this the free essay. Right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's write a lot of essays.
Yes, sir.
Writing.
Do I have to do that one, sir?
Yeah, because you went through the lecture, so I'm sure you want to write the essay, right? Right, sir?
Sige. Sige po.
There. Oh, wait. Einstein. Hang on, guys. Hang on. I think it's under the IELTS folder. And then writing there. Then live writing. Where is it? Edits and outputs. Key. And then Juni's essay. Juni's 2022 exam topic. There. purpose of education. There. Okay, guys, and then we'll stop the recording. The algebra of writing. Okay, stopping the recording, guys.